Hey guys, it's me again, and welcome back to the Complete Web Development Masterclass. In today's episode, we're going to be implementing header tags and paragraph tags to our website. So what is the point of header tags? Well, for one, it informs the reader what are they reading or what the page is about. And second, it's really good for search engine optimization. If you don't know what that means, it's essentially your article name or game coming up on Google. So let's just get right into it. So in order to put a header, we're going to put the h1 tag. And then I'm going to put this is a header. Command S, and then we're going to refresh Chrome. And there we go, we get a header. It's bold and it's big. Now, it doesn't just stop there, it gets better. What we're going to do is we're going to put H2 here. What does that do? Take a guess. Does it make it bigger? Does it make it smaller? This is an H2 header. Alright. There, it makes it smaller and less bolder, if that's a word. But you get the point, right? So we get to keep on going. It doesn't stop there. So let me just copy it to save time. H3, H3, and not H3 Productions. Alright, let's save that, and there we get a not much smaller text. Now we keep going again. H4, H4, and again H4. Oh, I forgot to save it. Boom, we get an H4 header. Around around H5, I feel like it really defeats the point of a header, because a header is supposed to be big and bold, and it just keeps getting smaller every time we enter. I forgot that I had it in my clipboard. Might as well implement it. There you go, we have an H5 header. Then we will implement a H6 header, and then H6 again. Command S, and then reform. See, now this really defeats the point, because let's say if I want to put some content, here's some actual YT content, and once we plug that in there, as you can see, it's much bigger than this H6 header. Alright, let me space out my code so it actually looks nice. It's beautiful code is what it's all about here on Fuzon's notes. Am I right? Alright, now let's implement an H7 header. What do you guys think happens here? Alright, so we're going to put from the clipboard H7, H7, and then H7. Oh look, it resorts back to normal text, meaning that this isn't really an H7 header. Dun dun dun. I want to have some sound effects. Anyway, this isn't an H7 header. It just stops right there. Now let's move on to paragraph tags. So what are the point of paragraph tags? If I can just put text like this on brackets, and then I just put it there. If I could put text like this, well, here's the thing. In this example right here, this is the perfect example. I didn't really plan this, but there is really no line break here happening here, meaning that, let's just get this, meaning that if I were to press enter, right, and then put a sentence that is after a line break, let me save that, you would expect a sentence to appear under this, meaning hence the definition of a page break or line break, sorry. So there's two ways to actually resort away from this. One is by putting the paragraph tags over it. Yeah, up there. Now let me copy this and then paste it in between the tags. Then I put my other tags here. Boom, and then Command X, then Command V, Command S. and refresh the page, and there we get our line break. We can also implement a line break like this. We can make this all in like all under one tag, and then put this BR tag, and there we get a line break here too. So if you notice with the BR tag is that it's not really surrounding. For example, we have HTML here, and then we have an HTML end tag here. The reason for why BR tag doesn't have an end tag is that it's not really surrounding something. It's just breaking the page here. So there, see, it's like a line break. It's splitting it. It's not really surrounding something. This is one of many tags that actually have this feature. We can also implement a page divider by doing this. And then Command S. And boom, we get a page divider. Sorry for the cut in video, guys. Anyway, I just wanted to top off this video by saying that in the next episode, we'll be learning how to format our text by italicizing it, bolding it, and implementing superscripts and subscripts. See you guys then.